In this video, I will show you how to get great deals at Best Buy by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker on product pages. PriceLasso shows you the historical prices at Best Buy with nice price history and sends you email alerts when the price drops to the amount that you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save money and avoid missing sales on all the electronics that Best Buy sells. To start price tracking, just sign up for a free account on PriceLasso.com, add our extension, and then go to any Best Buy product page. If you're in the market for a new laptop, you might want to add a price alert for this Dell laptop. Once you add it, you'll be able to see it on your alerts dashboard here. You can adjust the price to whatever value you want. The default is 10% off the current price. You can also see price history. Once the price drops to the level that you set, you'll get an email alert. In addition to Best Buy, PriceLasso can also track prices at other large stores like Amazon, Walmart, B&H Photo, Adorama, and hundreds more, and works for all the major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Safari for iPhone.